Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating Kali and installing a supported browser. This gives you the foundation for YouTube playback and streaming. Once done, create a non-root user and open Firefox or Chromium under that account to avoid permission issues. Make sure to install media codecs and enable hardware acceleration where available so video plays smoothly. These are your first actionable steps. Update, install browser and codecs. Switch to a non-root profile. That setup prevents common playback and permission failures. Next, configure playback. Enable VAAPI or VDPOW so the GPU handles video decoding and saves CPU cycles. Verify with VAINFO and fix drivers if nothing shows. Once done, install uBlock Origin to reduce CPU taxing ads and Privacy Badger to avoid tracking-related slowdowns. Also, open Pulse Audio or ALSA Mixer. Select the correct output device and test audio. These steps reduce stutter and buffering by addressing decoding, extensions, and audio routing. They tackle the common performance bottlenecks. Finally, secure and finalize playback. Use a VPN or proxy for geo-blocked content and confirm DNS and MTU settings if buffering persists. Make sure your GPU driver and browser are up to date, clear cache, and disable any extension causing conflicts. If YouTube still misbehaves, test streaming with MPV combined with YouTube DL or ITDLP. That isolates browser issues. A key troubleshooting tip: when everything else fails, run VAINFO, check DMESC for driver errors, and revert to software decoding to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.